The Monkey and the Magical Mango Tree. Once upon a time, in a faraway jungle, there lived a playful little monkey named Tico. Tico loved climbing trees, swinging from vines, and exploring the deepest parts of the forest. But there was one thing he loved more than anything else: mangoes. Juicy, sweet mangoes were his absolute favorite treat. One sunny afternoon, Tico was playing near the river when he noticed something unusual. A golden glow was coming from behind a group of tall trees. Curious, he followed the light until he came to a hidden mango tree. But this wasn't just any mango tree. Its leaves sparkled like gold, and the mangoes were bigger and shinier than any he had ever seen. Tico's eyes widened with excitement. As he reached out to grab one of the glowing mangoes, a soft voice spoke, "If you pick a mango from this tree, something magical will happen." Startled, Tico looked around, but no one was there. The voice seemed to come from the tree itself. Feeling brave, Tico plucked one of the glowing mangoes and took a bite. Instantly, the ground beneath him shimmered, and Tico found himself floating in the air. He could fly. Laughing with joy, Tico soared over the jungle, swooping down to say hello to the other animals. He even flew over the clouds and saw the stars twinkling in the sky before returning to the magical tree. The tree spoke again, "Remember, the magic only lasts until the moon rises. You must return the rest of the mango to keep the magic alive for others." Tico thought for a moment and looked at the half-eaten mango in his hand. The juicy fruit still glowed softly, and he realized how special this moment was. But then he remembered how much he loved sharing his fun with his friends in the jungle. He imagined his friends, like Nala the squirrel and Bobo the parrot, experiencing the same joy of flying and feeling the magic in their hearts. With a wide grin, Tico decided that he wouldn't keep the magic all to himself. He carefully placed the half-eaten mango back on the branch. As soon as he did, the tree began to sparkle brighter than before, and its leaves rustled as though it was thanking him for his kindness. Suddenly, a soft breeze blew through the jungle, carrying the sweet scent of the mangoes far and wide. Tico felt something warm in his heart, knowing that by sharing the magic, he had made it even stronger. The glowing tree seemed to shimmer in appreciation, and as Tico took a final look, he whispered, "I'll bring my friends next time." The tree's golden leaves fluttered in response, as if nodding. As he made his way back to his cozy treehouse, the moon rose high in the sky, and the glow of the magical tree faded. But Tico knew that whenever he wanted another adventure, the magical mango tree would be waiting. And from that day on, Tico never forgot that sometimes the greatest magic comes from sharing and being kind. As Tico drifted to sleep that night, he dreamed of flying through the stars once again, knowing that the jungle held endless wonders and magic for those who dared to explore. The end. Don't forget to like and subscribe.